Hello, Pinellas County residents. I'm Abigail Sweeney, your local real estate broker with Real Estate Matchmaker Club. Our community has faced immense challenges following Hurricanes Helene and Milton, with many homes and beloved spots damaged or destroyed. If your property is in a flood hazard area and suffered damage, understanding the substantial damage assessment is crucial. Homes with repair costs equaling 49% or more of their value, excluding land, must meet current floodplain codes before repairs can begin. To check your property's limit, visit the Pinellas County Property Appraiser website, enter your address, and under Tools, click on the FEMA WLM letter. If you disagree with the valuation, you have the right to challenge it. Start by reviewing your FEMA WLM letter, hiring a licensed appraiser, and gathering supporting documents like recent sales, insurance records, or tax assessments. Submit these to the local floodplain administrator for reassessment. If approved, your home's valuation may change, potentially lowering repair costs below the 49% threshold. Despite these challenges, Florida's real estate market remains active. Many homeowners are selling due to repair costs, rising insurance, or FEMA compliance requirements. Florida's high rate of cash buyers keeps demand steady, so if you're considering selling, it's essential to carefully weigh both risks and benefits. As your real estate broker, I'm here to guide and support you. I offer comprehensive guides for sellers, buyers, landlords, and tenants, covering the process, my services, and fees. Visit realestatematchmakerclub.com. Select seller, buyer, landlord, or tenant and download your guide today. I know this can be a stressful time, but you don't have to go through it alone. Let's chat about your options. Reach out anytime. Thanks for watching, and I hope to talk with you soon.